This is one of my favorite songs. I'm gonna let the beginning play and I'm gonna do my favorite part.
The shadows come. Why should my heart feel lonely and long for heaven and home? When Jesus is my portion, a constant friend is He. His eye is on the sparrow, and I know He watches me. His eyes is on the sparrow, and I know He watches over me. I sing because I'm happy, and I sing because I'm free. His eyes is on the sparrow, and I know He watches, and I know He watches over me. His eyes is on the sparrow.
Thank you. That's all I'm gonna do. I don't even know the whole song. Thank you for watching.